And the double kettlebell clean squat rotational press looks like something like this. All right, okay. Clean squat and rotational press. Okay, again, clean squat rotational press. Okay, again, clean squat rotational press. Okay, clean squat rotational press. Again, clean squat rotational press. Okay, again, clean squat and rotational press. Again, squat and press, rotational press. Again, clean squat, rotational press. Okay, excellent job. Clean squat, rotational press. Again, clean squat, rotational press. Last one, clean squat, rotational press. Excellent job.